Looking for easier ways to adjust your monitor's display settings? BenQ has come to your rescue with a brand new HotKey Puck that lets you adjust display settings in a more effortless way. The new HotKey Puck is made up by a dial, a rotation key, 3 single function keys, and a return key. It allows you to create shortcuts for selected features and lets you focus on the monitor while making adjustments. But you must be wondering, how does each function work? Don't worry, we've got that covered for you. To begin with, you must first tilt the monitor forward by 90 degrees and plug the HotKey Puck's cord into the mini USB port at the back of the monitor. The dial lets you adjust brightness of the monitor by rotating it left or right. To further adjust other settings, you can press once to call out the OSD menu, and review features by rotating the dial, and press once to select the feature you want. To return to the previous menu, you can press the return key once, and it gets you back to where you were. The single function keys are assigned to different color modes by default, but you can change them to another group of features through the OSD menu. After calling out the menu, go to controller key 1, 2, and 3 to assign 3 preferred functions to the keys. To cancel the original setup, you can simply press the dial once to start the process again. Lastly, the rotation key allows you to switch between 3 different functions by rotating it left and right. To pick your preferred functions, go to controller key loop on the OSD menu and assign 3 features to the rotation key. To go to the custom section, you can also long press the key for 3 seconds. Still have other questions about the new HotKey Puck? Go to BenQ's website for the detailed instruction.